Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw different objects in AutoCAD. Say for instance you want to draw a line, click the line, and then specify the first point. You can draw a line like this. Say for instance you can see, and then you can draw another line here, your line going up, and then going down, and then you can connect. If you want to stop creation of this line, you just have to press escape key. There you go. How about circle? Circle can be easily drawn also. Click this circle, and then after that, you select the first point, and then specify the radius of the circle. If you want to have a radius of 3, just type 3. There you have it. Arcs can be drawn also. You can use a 3-point arc. See? 1, 2, and then 3. You can use a rectangle also, object, to draw a rectangle. Click, first corner, you go down, click and drag, and then that's it. All of this is one entity object, this one entity, but this line you will notice consists of several, this object consists of several lines. Okay. Do you know that you can also create a rectangle using line? Make sure that your auto on, this one is turned on. You can just press it. See, click. It's on now. So if it's on, that means you can generate or draw horizontal and vertical lines only. Let's say 4 by 5, 4 centimeters, and then going down by 5, height 4 centimeters, and then height of 5. You can just connect and then release, escape. There you have it. You can also create a polygon. All you have to do is to click the polygon, and then in the storing area you can specify first what is the number of sides. Let's say you want 6 sides. It's like hexagon. You type 6, enter, and then specify the center. You click here, and then inscribe or circumscribe. Doesn't matter. Just inscribe, and then there you go. You are now creating polygon, hexagon. Click. There you go. That's it. Now, this time I'm going to show you how to select objects. Selecting objects can be done in 2 ways. One is from your right, click, we call it window. Whatever objects inside the window will be automatically selected. Press escape. The other one is crossing from right to left. You see, right to left. Whatever it crosses, whether it is inside the circle of the rectangle or not, it will be highlighted also. See, that's crossing. Press escape. Deleting is very easy here. All you have to do is to select the object you want to delete. Let's say this one, then press delete. Select the circle, press delete key. That's it. You can highlight everything, and then press delete. Control Z if you want to bring back the object. So that's how easy to delete. You can also modify objects like this. If you want to modify this rectangle, you can actually stretch the vertex. Modify this one, you can stretch the vertex like this. See? You can stretch the vertex. You press F8 to disable the auto on. Set. You can also modify this one by adding the vertex. You see the vertex has been added here. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.